what's y'all's plan when you're adding? Are you just adding stuff as you go and then counting it up at the end? Too much. Josiah, how can you convince Taylor that there's just a number 18? We'll go back to this one now, because you just counted 14 tiles. So how do I know 18 can sit there? There's 14 tiles.
I don't think you can make
Convince me.
So look.
I'm not saying you're wrong, I'm saying convince me.
How long is that? 18
You
bricks.
can use your fingers to show where the chairs would go.
No, wait. Stop. Francis, this is quick away. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay.
Alright, so how many chairs do we have now?
2. They don't have to count. They can.
Okay, so hold on a second. Are you, double check, are you doing area right now? Because remember, perimeter is the area, not the area around it, the amount around it, right? So how many does this count for? 1 or 2? 1, 2, right? 1, 2. Now what do we got? Count up. How many? 18. So there's the that's it. Count with them, Taylor.
I have 27 blocks.
27 blocks is great.
So
But does that fit 18? I want exactly 18. Exactly 18. So how many is that? 18. Okay, very good. All right. Go to the next one. Okay, what's your, convince me that yours is going to sit 18. Price, I want you to work with, what's going on this? Brooklyn, your back, your stuff is too far, so work with Price. Can I tell you something? Because I want to do one big table. Convince me that this will fit 18 people with Natasha. I got it. Can I convince you that yours fits 18?
Okay, so I will put 18. I have an idea. Well, there's a low possibility. We're getting grounded for just a single bus. I was Darn it.
All right, let me check on my back table. Are you guys doing good back here?
What?
Okay.
Guys, I'm happy that I don't think
All right.
I am. Where did you get these? Where did you get these? That's all
All right, boys and girls. Whoops. 2 up. 3, 4. All right, last thing, and it's also on your ticket here, but I want you guys to just focus on the one on the board. On the sticky note I gave you, I want you to take a second, okay? And you're going to fill out a sticky note, and you're going to come put it on the board, okay? You have 2 options. You can tell me something that perimeter is, or you can write on your sticky note something that perimeter is not, okay? Whatever that means for you. Okay, and then we're going to close things out. So on your sticky note, I want you to write something that perimeter is perimeter is not. I want you to write your name on your sticky note so that I see who's who's. When you put it on here, don't smack it because Mr. Coda's class is next door and that would be very distracting for them, okay? I'm going to give you guys 30 seconds to write down something that perimeter is or perimeter is not. Fine, you can go back to your spot now. So think about, what do we mean when we say we're measuring the perimeter of something? What do we mean when we say, I'm measuring the perimeter of this? What does that mean? Perimeter is what? If you measure the perimeter of something, what are you measuring?
The length?
Shh, write it on your sticky note. Write down what that means to you in your own words. You need to go back and fix it. See some good answers. All right, 15 more seconds to finish up your answers. It doesn't have to be perfect, it's just in your own words. What do I mean when I say measure the perimeter of something? Remember your dinner party activity. All right, if you haven't submitted yours, go ahead and submit it now. Thank you. Go ahead and come put your sticky note on the board. Yours is awesome. You're doing good. You're doing good. Oh, you got it. All right, Kenz and Natasha and Sahira, did you two sticky notes or? That's not yours, okay. Price, did you do one?
No, why don't you get it out?
Price, I need you to write one down. Okay, here you go, Kenz, I'll take it for you, buddy. All right, do you want to put it on this side or this side, Kenzie? This one? Okay. All right. Price, I still want yours, but you can just hand it to me, okay? All right, guys, I see on here, it says, oh, it's okay, it's okay. You're okay. All right, I see that the perimeter is outside something. Good, yes, we are recognizing the perimeter is something outside. I see that perimeter measures length. That's right, that's right, that's right. I see that the perimeter is around. I love that. Perimeter is around. Something that goes around 4 squares. Perimeter is something that goes around it. Someone said length to measure, and it's measuring around. Okay. Perimeter is not from the inside. Here. All right. And I see a lot of you guys saying that circles don't have perimeter. Okay. All right. So perimeter, guys, is everywhere. Eyes back up here. We see perimeter every day. I want you guys to pay attention today. Like somebody here is going to go to some sort of sports practice afterwards, and you're going to see the big scoreboard, and you're going to say, oh, around that scoreboard, that's the perimeter. Or you're going to see the door frame over there, and you're going to say, oh, eyes over here, eyes over here, eyes over here. You're going to see the door frame, and you're going to say, oh, the frame around there, that's like the perimeter, right? The inside of the door, not perimeter. The outside, that's like real perimeter. Let's see, what about this metal frame that goes around the whiteboard? Could that be perimeter? Can we take the perimeter of that? What about the rug on the carpet? Could that be measuring the perimeter? Yes, okay. So the perimeter is whenever we're taking the lengths of something around and we're adding that together, right? That is perimeter. So perimeter is when you take the lengths of sides and you what together? You
Put them together.
add or subtract.
Add them together.
Say perimeter.
Perimeter.
Say perimeter.
Perimeter.
Eyes up, look at me. Perimeter.
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 When you add the sides.
When you add the sides.
Perimeter.
Perimeter.
When you add the sides.
When you add the sides.
Turn to your neighbor and say, it's not inside.
It's not inside.
Say, it's outside.
It's outside.
All right, turn to your neighbor. Say perimeter.
Perimeter.
Is when you
It's when you
fill the blank for me.
fill the blank for me.
No, what's the blank? Perimeter is when you
Go around.
The
The
perimeter is outside something.
okay.
Is when you add
Convince me that I'm wrong. Perimeter is when I add the inside of something. Did I say wrong?
Outside.
is
It's
when you
supposed to be
add
outside, not inside.
Oh, okay. All right. You guys did a good job today with your dinner party seating. The Comfort family says thank you for being able to find chairs for everybody. I say thank you for working really well with each other today and letting me switch you around there for a second. That was good. And listening so well to our video. I know that was a long book. We didn't finish it, so we knew where it was going. Okay. You're going to now clean up your stuff. There's an activity on Splash Learn. When you finish cleaning up your station, put all your tiles back on the table over there. You can take your clipboard with you to your desk. and then you're gonna go on splash zone and do the perimeter activity I have for you, okay? Alright, hey, when we're throwing our towels, just